So we're in Clovis, California, taking a look at some plumbing underneath the floor here. This is the kitchen, and we came down here to run a water line, and that's our water line that goes back over there. So it's the 4-foot spread girders with the 1 1/8 floor. Anyways, that's the ice maker over there, and this is the kitchen sink. And so when we got done, we were running some water down here just to check the integrity of the line. You've got some repairs here already. You can see right there a Calder coupling, so just a rubber coupling to tie the old iron pipe or the galvanized pipe to new plastic. And then you've got a not a sanitary tee, a combination Y and 1/8 bend, and a clean out here end of run, and then back over to the iron pipe. So this was repaired, and then another Calder coupling right here. This is repaired whenever you either have documentation of it or you don't, depending on how long you've owned the home. But problem is, you've got water leaking out the bottom of the pipe. Not only is it's not actually dripping out of the band, the whole bottom of the pipe, I don't want to get water all over my phone, but the whole bottom of the pipe right here, that's cracked. So you can see it just dripping out over here and dripping. So it's just dripping out. You can see the scale and the rust, big split. See if I can get my big split right here, right there. And then you can see that's been growing a while, just dripping out of the line. So anyways, I just wanted to document that because you're gonna have that repaired, and it's not in our scope of work. You know, not trying to gouge you or generate more work. We hate crawling under floors, number one. And you know, we did it because we had to run an ice maker over there. And anyways, I'm gonna go shut the water off. You'd be best served replacing everything from this pipe. Go ahead, and you can see this is a little back braided, like going downhill. Instead of going uphill, it's going downhill. And so because of that coupling right there, and there's no supports, you need to get some support on it. Yank all that out all the way. You know, we've got a brand new tee up at the kitchen, clean out tee, sanitary tee, that's all glued in, and bands. But I would right now, while you can, because you're going to have trouble with this stuff if you leave it, at least in the wall, you can get it brand new. So all we would have to do at this point is loosen up a band, pull that whole piece out right there, replace that at the end with a you know, same thing that you've got right here. You know, put some straps on it, go plastic all the way over to here, and then make a transition right here, and then keep this, because this you can get to. This right here, you know, you can't really tool that. It's completely damaged, and it's attached to that fitting down there. We come down here and start trying to cut things apart, and it's just going to keep breaking all the way up into the wall. So anyways, I'm going to turn the water off because you get a lot of water down here. But I'll get this video over to you today, and you can let me know what you'd like to do.